5 moves to guarantee a stellar soiree. Yo, party people! Tired of Netflix marathons and stale chips? Let's level up your next hangout with 5 epic moves that'll transform that awkward silence into a night to remember. Forget basic. This is about crafting a soiree so lit, it'll have your squad dropping fire bars for weeks. Buckle up, social butterflies. Move Chore 2, Sensory Symphony. It's not just about sight and sound. Engage all the senses for maximum immersion. Craft a soundtrack that's your vibe on shuffle, curate a feast for the eyes with DIY decorations, and maybe even throw in some themed scents or textures. Make your hangout a multi-sensory masterpiece. Move number 3. Game on, level up. Board games are cool, but let's push the boundaries. DIY some epic charades based on your theme, invent a scavenger hunt through your neighborhood, or break out a karaoke battle that'll make Beyoncé jealous. Remember, games are gateways to laughter, competition, and spontaneous memories. Move number 4. Capture the epicness. Don't let those golden moments fade. Get snap-happy with themed photo booths, unleash your inner Spielberg with impromptu video skits, or have a live Instagram story party documenting the awesomeness. These captures will be the souvenirs of your epic night, long after the last laugh dies down. Move number 5. Be the vibe master. The best parties are powered by good vibes. Ditch the phone, ditch the drama, and embrace the present moment. Be the glue that holds the night together, the hype man for silly jokes, the cheerleader for awkward dance moves. Remember, your energy is contagious, so make it infectious with fun. So there you have it, party alchemists. With these 5 moves, your next hangout won't just be a gathering, it'll be a legendary experience. Go forth, spread the vibe, and level up your social game. Don't forget to subscribe for more hangout hacks, and let's turn every night into a fire party.